We just had our first snowstorm in Toronto last Sunday and we're still in the fall. What is winter like in Toronto? Well, let me show you. Hi everyone, Lei here, your real estate go-to resource in the Greater Toronto area, where we help your real estate dreams come home. If you're new here and you like contents about Toronto living and real estate, subscribe to the channel now and don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. We haven't finished November yet and we are already experiencing snow. Last Sunday, Toronto had about 13 to 15 centimeters of snowfall and more as you go north of the city. So what's winter like in Toronto? Let me show you the good, the bad, and the freezing cold. Let's start with the good. Winter in Toronto is beautiful. The first snowfall is almost always picture perfect. You probably have seen some Instagram and Facebook posts already, courtesy of our last snowstorm. Then we look forward to a snow on Christmas Eve so that we can have a white Christmas. It doesn't always happen, but white Christmas is always welcome in Toronto, and I guess in any parts of Canada. If you ask the kids, any winter storm is perfect so they can play outside, make some snowman or snow angel. Then comes January. Surprisingly, we get mild weather in the first 3 weeks of January. Then it gets bad from there, when the temperature plummets down to double digits before the really big snowstorm. And just like any storm, after a day or two, it comes down and the sun goes up again, but the freeze stays. We actually get milder weather in Toronto compared to other cities in Canada, or just north or east of Toronto. It's actually more treacherous when the sun comes up after a winter storm because it turns the snow to icy roads and paths are dangerous. The worst part of the winter is when the weather is above zero and the snow starts falling. So the snow melts before it hits the ground and it becomes freezing rain. On some occasions we have ice storms and everything you see everywhere outside is coated with ice. This is very beautiful in the picture, but you'll be in very dangerous ground. As the weather gets worse in February, it's bitter cold temperature that will drive you crazy. Before another snow falls, the temperature drops to double-digit negative marks. You need to check the weather station before you go out so that you can dress for the weather. Wind chills can go below minus 30 Celsius. It gets warmer after a snowfall, but we don't get the Chinook air like in Calgary, so the freezing cold weather stays. No wonder why everybody wants to escape during March break. Then it gets better after the March break. The daylight starts getting longer. The daylight saving time arrives and soon the spring starts. Now that you know everything you need to know about the winter weather in Toronto, check out my other video about 21 fun facts about living in Toronto, where I talk about reasons why you should make Toronto your next place to be. My name is Lei Villar-Cisneros with Right at Home Realty, and if you or someone you know is looking to move anywhere in the Greater Toronto area, give us a call, text, or email us, whatever works for you, and we'll make your moving experience a breeze. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next Thursday. Bye for now. Don't forget to share.